Welcome back to our classes. This is standard 3 Gsc. So in the previous class I have discussed about the types of roots, the types of stem, and the importance of plants. So due to some reason I could not show you the roots through practical. So today I'll show you the roots, the main the taproot and the fibrous root. So the plants which have the main roots and the smaller roots grow from the side of the main root. So such kind of root are known as taproot. So you see the examples of the taproot. Okay, so this is the main root. Okay, you see properly, this is the main root, and from the main root the smaller roots grow. Okay, you see properly, this is the main root, and from the main root only the smaller root grow. So this type of root is known as taproot. Okay, and now fibrous root. So fibrous root means there is no main root, all the roots coming from the from only one point. Okay, so this is, there is no main root. Okay, all the roots coming from only one point, you see properly. Okay, all there is no main root, all the roots coming from only one point. Okay, so this is the fibrous root and this is the taproot. Okay, one main root and smaller subroot. Okay, so this is the what do you call the taproot. Okay, so that type of stem also we discussed, and today we'll read about the leaves. Okay, so you see here the leaves. Every plant has leaves of particular shapes and colors. Okay, so different plants have different types, different shapes of leaves and different colors. Like some flowering plant have different types of coloring leaves there. Okay, for example, all banana plants have the same type of leaves, means all the leaves of banana plants are same. You can identify a plant by its leaves. All the mango plant leaves are equal, all the papaya plant leaves are equal. So uh, all every plant has same type of leaves. Then you can read the parts of a leaf. Okay, most leaves have a flat and broad surface called the leaf blade. Okay, or we can say that is lamina. Okay, have a flat, this is the flat and broad surface. Okay, so this is known as leaf blade or lamina. Then a number of very fine tubes run through the leaf. These are called leaf veins. So there are many numbers of very fine tubes. Okay, these are the number of veins. Okay, run through, you see properly, run through the leaves. So these are all known as the leaf veins. Then the central vein called the midribs. Central vein means that passes through the center. So this is the center. Okay, so this vein, this is the central vein that passes through in the middle of the leaf. Okay, so that is known as midrib. So this is known as midrib. Okay, this broad part is known as lamina. Okay, then the side veins or the fine tubes like veins are known as the side vein. Central vein is known as the midrib or main vein, and this is the petiole. Then the leaf veins are actually fine tubes which carry water and food material. So the fine tubes or the side veins, they carry water and food material. The midrib and veins together provide support and shape to the leaves. So this midrib and the veins together provide support and a perfect shape to the leaves. Okay, then a leaf has many tiny pores on its surface called stomata. So a leaf has many tiny pores, okay, many small pores that we cannot see through our naked eye. If we'll see it under a microscope, then only we are able to see the pores, okay, and those pores are known as stomata. If we'll take the one pore, that is known as stoma. If together all the pores will take, then that is known as stomata. Then you see functions of leaf. What does a leaf do, or what is its work? In the presence of sunlight, leaves take in carbon dioxide from the air. So, in the presence of sunlight, the leaves take carbon dioxide from the air and make food for the plant. During this process, leaves give out oxygen gas. This oxygen gas is used by living things for breathing. So actually what happened, the a plant needs water, that water absorbed by the root from the soil, and it needs carbon dioxide which is present in the air, and it needs sunlight, and one thing it needs, that is chlorophyll, which already have in the leaves. Because of the chlorophyll, the leaves look green. So a plant need carbon dioxide, water, and sunlight and chlorophyll to make its food by the process known as photosynthesis. And during this process, so if we'll write it, then so we can write the photosynthesis through equation. Then carbon dioxide and water in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll gives rise to glucose and oxygen. And here it is written, this oxygen gas, during this process leaves give out oxygen gas. So here oxygen released. So this oxygen gas is used by living things for breathing. Leaves of some plants store food, for example cabbage and lettuce. So these are some examples of the plant like cabbage, lettuce, or we can say the spinach. Okay, these are the plants who store their extra food in their leaves. Okay, or you can say these are the edible leaves. I hope student you understood the subject, the leaves and the root and stem clearly, and in the next class we'll discuss about the flower, fruit, and all rest of the plant parts. So till then, thank you.